What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Today's video unboxing, and actually I like it better and better for some different stuff also. Like I found about lock I need in new office I need to replace, so the guy did unboxing, like good stuff. Anyway, I don't think so it's a lot of extra parts, but who is first time beginner of for the hobby, the newer models like this, specifically tangent, means usually selling out immediately after the day release day. So you keeping the box for sure, and you like taking care of the box, and that's how you opening, because this is model already, yeah, they're all gone, and keeping the box in mint condition. That means mint, it won't be like if you put finger and like open it, it will be kind of, yeah, it will be noticeable. So here we go. Packages, outstanding. Just great. All right. Try to not mess with it. Yeah, that should do it. There we go. We sold couple of undecorated units, and I found door there, like two doors actually in the kit, but I don't think so they opening really. It's just for, I guess, for easily assembling, so they separated. Look at the bottom here. Unbelievable. Super detailed. Yeah. I saw a couple of pictures on Tangent website, they just like upside down and you're looking, and it's cool. Scale head couplers, which is you don't need to worry about it. Couplers, see through everything, means quality is unbelievable. I saw, I think, some roll bearings, but not in this particular model, but because of Southern, I believe. Yeah, means coupler boxes, all that stuff, just super detailed. Since probably you're not gonna see them at the stores a lot, not a lot of stores around anymore. So here I go. That's the chance. And I keep the camera focus around that area so you can see better in focus, because of those web cameras, the depth is not like super great, but it's good enough. No, it's actually very good. So here we go. All prints you can read, and gloves for I know somebody making fun, and my finger coats too because this is like brand new model, man. You guys, thank you very much. Allow me to review all that stuff. So good. And that's how they painting, right? So the edge here, when paint, I believe it's machine, just going through, and that's kind of leftover. You can weather it still like this, so very unique looking. There we go. Like screenshot. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you want, if you would like to support channel, there is a join button for membership. Thanks again, guys. We really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye bye.